guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along with me as I run some errands and get some things done around the house. But first, I want to talk to you about something that's been on my mind lately: gratitude and mindfulness. Today I'm starting my day off with a little gratitude and mindfulness. As I wake each morning, I'm reminded of all the blessings in my life and I'm taking a moment to appreciate them. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of our daily routines, but taking a moment to appreciate little things can make all the difference. I like to keep my bathroom and bedroom clean and organized, so today I'm giving them a good scrub down. As I take down shower curtains and rugs and wiping the floors, I'm reminded of how grateful I am to have a home and the resources to keep it clean and tidy. With each task, I'm practicing mindfulness, being present in the moment, and focusing on the task on hand. One thing I like with keeping a bathroom clean is that it's a start off for the rest of the places in the home to be kept clean. Now, I'm heading to the bedroom as I clean the side tables, the lamp, change my bed sheets and all. I'm grateful for the comfort and security my home brings. It may not be the most exciting task, but taking care of our homes is another way we can show ourselves some love and gratitude. Plus, a clean and tidy space can help improve our mood and productivity. After changing the bed sheets, I will be cleaning the side tables, then lighting a candle. I'm reminded to take a deep breath and appreciate this peaceful moment.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
Now, after cleaning and relaxing, I like to prepare breakfast. Now, for breakfast this morning, I'm preparing banana fritters. This is where you incorporate flour, crushed ripe bananas, little salt, sugar, and some vanilla. You can incorporate them to your taste. Do not add a lot of vanilla, and also just add and taste. So this is my banana fritters this morning. You can go in, if you add too much water, you can always add back flour. Also, if you don't want to use water, you can always use pineapple juice as well. I know of persons that use pineapple juice. Some persons even use milk, like regular box milk. So you guys can use that as well. So once you mix it up, you can add water. If you do add too much water, you can always add more flour as well. Heat your oil and you can fry it to your liking. Some persons like it dark brown, some persons like it light brown. As long as it is fried properly, turn down the stove and make sure it is soaked properly. I will be having this with an egg, so just a regular fried egg I will be having it with, and then I will be drinking some tea as well. So this is what I'll be having for my breakfast this morning.
We'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Now it's time for me to run a few errands. As I head to the supermarket, I'm grateful for a variety of options available to me. Today, I'm making a conscious effort to practice gratitude while I grocery shop. So next time you're out running errands, try to take a moment to appreciate the little things and be mindful of the present moment. Trust me, it can make all the difference. As I'm walking through the aisles of the supermarket, I'm reminded of the abundance of choices and options available to me. Instead of feeling overwhelmed or anxious, I'm practicing gratitude and mindfulness by focusing on the present moment. I'm taking the time to appreciate the colors and textures of the fruits and vegetables, and I'm grateful for the nourishment they will bring to my body. As I choose products for my shopping cart, I'm also being mindful of the impact my choices have on the environment and my community. I'm selecting items that are locally sourced and sustainable, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to make a positive impact. In addition to being mindful of my choices, I'm also practicing gratitude by expressing appreciation to the store employees who are working hard to keep the store stocked and running smoothly. I'm grateful for their service and dedication to making my shopping experience a positive one. As I'm heading to checkout, I'm reminded of how fortunate I am to have the resources to purchase healthy and delicious food for myself and my loved ones. I'm also grateful for the opportunity to practice mindfulness and gratitude in all areas of my life, including something as simple as grocery shopping. Speaking of gratitude and mindfulness, taking care of our personal hygiene is important too. While I'm out shopping, I am now heading to this store in Central Plaza in Half a Tree. I will be picking up some new skincare products and restocking my hand lotion and body spray. I'm also taking the time to find personal hygiene products that are good for my body. Mindful consumption is important, and I'm glad to make choices that align with my values. So when you're out, ensure you pick the right products that work with your body. How much one are these? I'm also taking a moment to treat myself today. As I'm heading to get some fried chicken at this fast food restaurant, I'm grateful for the little moments of pleasure in my life. It's important to balance productivity with self-care, and I'm giving myself permission to indulge a little today. Coke. So this restaurant is Quick Chick. The original was awesome. The barbecue didn't like it much, but I tried their spicy before, and it's one of the best spicy chicken out there as well. So you guys can check them out and rate them on your own. Hi guys! Finally, I'm ending my day with a little adventure. As I explore an expo and farmers market, I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn new things and different businesses. Being open to new experiences is important for personal growth, and I'm excited to see what this expo brings. Alright, Renee. Miss Cookies. Yes, it is. It does feel like the I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today as I practice gratitude and mindfulness in all my daily activities. Now I'm heading home to share with you the items I got from the supermarket and expo. So see you at home. So I am back from off the road and I'm just here sharing with you some of the stuff that I pick up at the supermarket and also that I got from the expo. So I picked up this festival milk. I also picked up these 3-box milks. They are the Mana special for $70. I got this chicken burger, 15 coming in, so I'll pick up that as well. And I got a tray of chicken wings for $397 at the supermarket. I spent $3,200. Got carrot and pak chai as well. So at the expo I got this barbecue sauce. It tasted so good, guys. You know, like some other barbecue sauce that you have to cook down or add other stuff in it, this one can use straight. Like if you have chicken wings also, this one can use like a dip. It's very good. I purchased one for myself and one for my mother, and also I picked up this sweet and spicy sauce. If you see, I pull it already because I had to taste it. I picked up this sweet and spicy sauce from Home Choice. I normally have the other one from Grace. I got this lemon juice as well from Home Choice. I got these are some branded items. I got this cup from Lucky Dollar, and I got this from BH Paint. I got this bottle, it's so beautiful. I got these 2 serving pan as well from the Tasty cheese section, and also I got this from the Home Choice. It's ram goat booster. I take that from my mommy. What else I got was I got some of these samples. I got some of these samples from Caribbean Choice, and I tasted the coconut chocolate tea, guys. I'm not a fan of coconut, but the chocolate tea tastes good. Me'll buy that. Yeah, but these as well I got as samples. My friend went to Price Mart and I asked her to pick up this pack of tortilla wraps because the small one in the supermarket, let me show you. This one in the supermarket, 8 comes in it, and it's for like $800 for 8, and this one here is $1,200, and as you can see, comes with 2 separate packs, and it's £3 in total. It's a lot in one pack. See here, a lot in one pack for $1,200. And I also asked her to pick up this Planters rice from Price Mart as well for $2,800. So it's 25 pound white long green rice. So that's it for